Claude, Gemini, Da Vinci, what do these things mean to you? Maybe when I say ChatGPT, you know what I'm talking about. Copy AI, Midjourney, Fireflies, Prezi. These are all artificial intelligence or AI tools that are popping up all the time. Are you using them? Do you have an idea what they can do for you? I jumped into AI a while ago, and the main reason was not to cut the costs of my business or to get rid of team members. No, it was to save me time by helping me come up with new ideas, by helping me understand the type of content and copy I should put out, whether it's an email newsletter or a letter to a staff member or content online for my website or social media. These are the things that artificial intelligence can help you with. And I'm coming to show you how to use AI to get better performance in your business.